Good evening, everyone. I'm Amaras Mamo from Book Review. Today we have to see about a book which is The Unlimited Guide to the Faceless YouTube channel Success as a source, which is written by Amaras Mamo, and we will have 15 minutes to discover this. So this channel discusses about the book which is interestingly written in this year. So as an introduction, why creating a Facebook YouTube channel is necessary. This section introduces the concept of Facebook faceless YouTube channel and their benefits, including increasing privacy and content flexibility. It features success story of popular faceless YouTube channel and outlines the strategy covered in the book of the archive success. As chapter 1, understanding the basics. What is a faceless YouTube channel? This section defines faceless YouTube channels, providing examples of success channels, bunching common misconceptions, pros and cons. This section outlines the advantages, privacy, flexibility, content focus, and challenges building connection, production quality, niche selection of the creating faceless YouTube channel, along with the strategy for overcoming those challenges. In the chapter 2, choosing your niche. Identifying profitable niche. This section lists 5 profitable niches for faceless YouTube channel, including AI news, business stories, health and wellness, psychology, self-improvement, and outline steps for selecting the best niches based on the passion, market demand, and monetization potential. Research your audience. This section emphasizes the importance of understanding your target audiences and provide tools and techniques, YouTube analytics, Google Trends, and social media listing surveys, computational analysis for research audience, and interesting demographics and preferences. In Chapter 3, Content Creation, planning your content. This section highlights the importance of planning and creating a content calendar with monthly overview, weekly breakdown, and daily tasks. It also provides techniques for brainstorming topic ideas using keyword researches and computational analysis and audience feedbacks. Video production tools. This section recommending software for video editing such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut, CapCut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve audio recording and editing such as Audacity, Adobe Audition, and visual and animation tools such as Canva and Blender, including the introduction to AI tools like InVideo. Script writing. This section provides guidance on crafting engaging script by the structures then effectively hook, body conclusion, and utilizing storytelling techniques, personal records, narrative stories, and visual aids, and making content resonate with the audiences, understanding their interests, tones, and panic scripts review. Chapter 4, Video Editing and Optimization. Editing softwares. This section recommends various editing software options for different levels of experience and budget, including Adobe Premiere Pro, CapCut Pro, and DaVinci Resolving, such as iMovie and Shortcuts. Basic editing techniques. This section covers essential editing techniques like trimming, cutting, transition, audio editing, color correction, and audio texting and graphics. SEO optimization. This section explains the importance of search engine optimization for YouTube videos, including keyword research and incorporation, crafting compelling titles and descriptions, and using relevant tags, thumbnails, and in the screen. This section emphasizes the importance of visual appealing thoughts and consistent branding for attractive viewers. It also highlights the role of in-screen in maximizing viewers' retention by screen-related content and encouraging subscription. In Chapter 4, Monetization Strategy, YouTube Partner Programs. This section explains the eligibility requirement, policies, watch hours, subscribers, and AdSense accounts for joining the YouTube Partner Program, and provides tips for maximizing ad revenue through longer videos, higher engagement, optimized ad placement, and diverse contents. Affiliate marketing. This section explains affiliate marketing and offers ways to define sustainable programs, affiliate networks, niche-specific programs, researches, and so on. It also provides guidance on effectively incorporating affiliate links into contents through product and reviews, how to guide and unboxing videos, emphasizing the importance of disclosures. Sponsored content. This section covers the basics of sponsored content and provides tips for approaching brand, creating media kits, and negotiating deals. It emphasizes building strong brand, understanding your value, and aiming to long-term partnerships. In chapter 6, building and engaging your YouTube audience. Growing your subscriber bases. This section provides strategies for growing subscribers, including consistent uploads and quality content, engaging thumbnails and titles, call for action, and collaborations. Using social media to promote your channel. This section covers leveraging social media platform to promote your channel by creating profiles, sharing behind the scene content, joining relevant groups, and cross promoting content. Engaging techniques. This section highlights the importance of audience engagement and provides techniques like responding to comments, using community posts and polls, and hosting live streams, and frequently asking and question sessions, analytics, and feedbacks. This section explains the importance of using YouTube channel to gain audiences insight, analyze performance metrics, and track traffic source. It also emphasizes the value of just content based on reviewer feedback gathered through comments, surveys, and polls. Importance of regular uploads. This section essentially stresses the importance of consistency for audience retention, algorithm favor, and building momentum. It is guidance reader on evaluating algorithm for favor and building momentum. It guides readers on developing a consistent upload schedules through determining frequency, planning ahead, and batch production, and effective time management tool for managing content workflows. This section recommends project management tools like Trello, Asana, Google Calendar, and Notion for organizing content, calendar, and workflow. Collaborating and networking. This section engages participants with other creators for mutual benefits and participation in YouTube communities for networking and building relationships. It suggests strategies for building potential partnership, pitches, collaboration ideas, and activity engaging in relevant communities. Long-term strategy for growth. This section outlines strategies for sustained channel growth, including expanding content ranging through diverse formats and audience feedback, and diversity income streams through multiple revenue courses and monetization experiences and revenue exchange. As a conclusion, in this book, which is written by Mr. Amaras Mama from Ethiopia, this section provides a conclusion overview of the ebook's key points, emphasizing the importance of consistency, quality, and engagement for achieving Faceless YouTube success. It encourages readers to stay dedicated, adapted to audience needs, and continue experiment with new ideas. Thank you for attending. Please subscribe our channel for more engagement and read the book which is will be given in the description, which is a free PDF which is prepared for you, and on the Google Group map we have put as a sales content. So we are very interested to be like and comment your interest. Thank you very much.